YouTube, what is going on? It's your boy Nicolo. You're watching my barber dreams. So in this video, I wanted to do just kind of like a day in the life vlog, basically, what an average day looks like for me at Main Street Barber. It's currently a Friday, about 5:30. I usually get up around 5 or so. Usually I'll get up, go for a nice walk, clear my head a little bit, meditate, get some breakfast in me, get dressed, and maybe I'll watch a tutorial too, maybe I'll read, and then I'll hit the road. Fridays are a little bit earlier for me. My first one is always at 7 a.m. and my last one's usually around 5. So a little bit of a longer day, but very excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some food in me and get dressed, get this day started, and I will see you at the shop. So we're here at Main Street Barber. Nicolo just got in, man. Usually I'm the first one here. Our shop owner Gavin is on vacation for the week, so I just gotta come in and do some of the towels, get some stuff ready for the day. This is how we do our towels, the towel rack. A little pro tip for you: we put our shave gel, it's 245, best shave gel out there, man. We put that in to the towel rack like so. So like I said, man, I put the shave gel right in the middle of that hot towel rack right there. So boom, there's a hot towel cabinet. Just shove them boys in there, turn it on, and voila. So the reason that you put the shave gel in the hot towel cabinet is to create that warm lather effect. People love it, appreciate it. If you don't use a hot towel in your service, highly recommend it. Great way to boost your ticket. You could even up your price because of that. I just kind of include it in my service, but super dope tip. So now I'm just currently waiting for my 7 a.m. appointment to come in. So I'm gonna finish setting up and wait for my man to get here. Of course, to get the day started, I gotta use some of the Campagna molding clay from my barber brand, The Outfit. Just a little bit of dry clay here, should hold me all day. Something to get me going. You just rub your hands real good together, throw some in there, man. I'm ready to roll now. And by the way, if you haven't checked out the newest promo to this video, if you're into that mobster theme stuff, if you've seen the movie Goodfellas, then you'll really appreciate the last video or the last promo that we just made. It's literally the last upload that I just made on YouTube. You could also check it out on my Instagram at Barber Dreams by Riggs. Definitely check it out, man. Had a lot of fun with that one. We got an every weeker here. It's my man Josh. What are we doing today, boss?
Usual cut, except a little bit more intense.
Okay, little drop fade or something.
Yes, sir.
All right, let's do it, man. Here's Nate. He's been in the family. He's been initiated. There we go. All right, that's what we've got going on today. Transform my guy Eddie here. All right, long day. Last but not least, we're gonna cut Tino up, my brother, and then we're getting out of this piece. So let's get to it. All right, so just finished super busy Friday, which is average here for me. You saw it, did about 20 cuts here, about 20 cuts. So I'm gonna add up my numbers, get my cash, turn the lights off, and get out of here because I got the early start tomorrow. First one is at 7 again, till about 4 or so. So this was an average day for me here at Main Street Barber. That's what I go through on the daily. Just want to show you guys just a little bit of daily life of a barber. So hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button, comment down below if you want to see more videos like this. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you don't miss a video. Follow me at Barber Dreams by Riggs, more cuts and content. And until the next time, I'll see you then.